is Rain Sophia, and today we are going to make a rainbow in a bottle. The materials we need are blue colored corn syrup, green liquid soap, orange colored water, yellow vegetable oil, red colored alcohol, and a clear bottle. You can also use a funnel to avoid spilling. So first, we are gonna start with blue colored corn syrup. We're gonna use the funnel. We will pour it in slowly. Next, we are gonna put the liquid soap. Next, we are gonna use the orange colored water. And then lastly, we are gonna put